Hey friends, we have cooked cakes and candies and peanut butter rolls and cheesecakes, and we have fixed a bunch of stuff since we've been together doing this. Well, we just got a couple days left, and I thought I would do something this time. It's not going to rot your teeth out. This time, instead of all the cakes and candies and stuff, we're going to make us a cheddar cheese ball. How about that? Different. And I put everything but the kitchen sink in mine. I'm telling you, I really do. So as you know, this is Billy Teagarden in the kitchen edition, and we are about at the end of our 10 days to Christmas countdown. I hope all the stress was worth it. It's like it's every year, and it doesn't seem like no time. Yesterday was just Christmas, don't it? Well, next year it's going to feel just the same, so be ready. So anyways, like I said, we're going to fix a cheese ball. And I put two different kinds of onions and bacon bits and ham and cheddar cheese and Kobe cheese and a little garlic and you name it. So I make a pretty big one. So anyways, I tell you what, this ain't going to be a real long video. So why don't we get into this and show you what we got going? Okay, friends, we have got 3 blocks of Philly cream cheese here. Okay, and then over here we have our ham. I have green onion for the outside. I have green onion for the inside. I have some red onion for the inside. I don't know how much that we will use because it's strong. We have a little garlic. We have some bacon bits here. We have our sharp cheddar cheese here, and we have some Kobe cheese here. So like I told you, we're putting about everything but the kitchen sink in this. So we'll take our 3 blocks of Philly cream cheese. We're going to put a good bit of our ham in. Some will be to roll on the outside. And then this onion will go in. Oh, and I forgot our Worcestershire sauce, one of the about the main ingredients here. Worcestershire sauce. Say that 3 times real fast. I don't think I can. Anyways, okay. Before I get sidetracked here, get that in there. Let's get some of this in here. Like I said, I don't know how much. Well, I didn't chop up a whole awful big lot. So, of course, as anybody knows, you can fix one of these any way you want to. This is all up to you. So anyways, now we got our bacon bits here. If I can get the dang thing open. I hate these bags. I'm telling you, I do. Should have took it out of the bag. Okay. All right. How much bacon bits? I don't know. About like that, I guess. Something like that. Yeah, that'll work. And then our cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese. We'll leave a little bit to roll on the outside. Some more cheddar cheese. Yeah, okay. Let's see here. We'll use our Kobe cheese just to roll on the outside here. Let's put all this cheddar in here. Like I said, we love cheese balls, as you can see. So I am making a big one now. We're going to want a couple of teaspoons, maybe more, of our Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. Maybe more. 1, 2. Let's go 3 or 4. Might add to it even. Who knows? A little of that. And then we're going to touch it with some garlic powder. Like so. My hands have been washed and clean, of course. And let's start the mushing. Yeah, this is like making meatloaf. Yeah, buddy, like making a big meatloaf is what this is like. Oh, it's going to be, look at the goodies in that sucker, would you? Yeah, love cheese ball. I got some of those chicken biscuit crackers to go with this. Seems like that's about the best I've found so far. It gets good and blended eventually. Let's see here. Let's see what we're tasting like. Okay, I taste. We're going to need some more Worcestershire in here. Okay, about like that, I guess. We just keep blending and tasting. The recipe on this, I don't have one because this is something I throw together pretty much using what I got. You know, there's a traditional cheese ball. There's, the kind you put the, what is it? The nuts on the outside, the pecans, all different kinds, of course. Let's see what we're getting there. Throw some more Worcester to it. And a little more garlic. That extra Worcestershire makes it kind of hard to work with, folks. There's a little cheese that's not ground in. And like I told you before, I have got a special coming for my last video that's a tribute to my grandmother. It's one of the things that she fixed every year, and my family still asks me to fix one today because I'm the only one, I think, that can actually replicate her cake. Yeah, I know. It is a cake. Okay, well, but that's a pretty good cheese ball, folks. Pretty good cheese ball. So I think I'm going to add some more red onion to this. So let me clean my hands up, get the onion in here, and I'll be back. Okay, friends. I think I've got that where we want it. So, yeah, that is so good. Oh, it's got some flavor to it. In fact, you can taste some Worcestershire, you can taste the Kobe cheese, you can taste the onions, you can taste all of it. So now what we're going to do, we're going to make a ball out of this, and then we're going to put the rest of our goodies on the outside of it here, like our Kobe cheese and our green onions and ham and all that kind of stuff. So what we need is a plate, and then dump it out here. Get all the goodies out of here. All right, now we need to shape it. It's not exactly going to be a ball, but pretty close. Okay, now we will take our ham, put all around this, get it into place. So all we're going to do is take all of our extra goodies here and stick them to it. That's all we're going to do now. It might be oddly shaped, but I don't think it's going to affect the taste much, do you? I don't think so. Some more green onion, like so. Just makes it, gives it, lets you know what's on the inside of it, makes it appealing, because a big part of taste is what you're looking at and smelling. Smell and sight. If it's got a strong smell to it, then of course, smell is first. But if it's got If you see it before you smell it, then eyesight's going to be first. So if you got something that's balanced, then that's really good. Okay. Now, okay. It's like a big concentrated glob, don't it? Well, that's what it is. And then after it sets and hardens, okay, we got one more thing, which is our Kobe cheese here. Oh, the Kobe cheese. Look how festive looking that is. Very festive looking. Festive looking. I need to get a little more over here. Kind of like decorating a Christmas tree, ain't it? Yeah. I'll be glad to take that thing down, a Christmas tree. It don't do nothing but take up space. And, if it wasn't for grandkids and stuff like that, we probably wouldn't much worry about it. But you know how it is. Okay. Ain't that beautiful? We just whipped that up, threw a whole bunch of stuff in it, garlic and ham and bacon bits. And, we could use real bacon if we want fried up, cooked up some real bacon and threw in there. Whatever. Could have used jalapenos and, made a hot one. Just whatever you and your friend and your family likes. Now, folks, there we go, folks. Our cheese ball. And doesn't that look so good? Yes, it does. I mean, that is just magic. That is so good. Why you say we get us some crackers and we take this sucker for a test drive? I'll be right back. Okay, folks, we got us a couple crackers here. Be better when it, sits up in the refrigerator. But, boy, dang, I think that's about the best one I ever made, folks. Mm. Oh, it's good. Man alive, it's good. Dang, dang, dang. Fell in my hole. Now let's see what we got. And that is good. Mm. Yeah, it's good. So, what it take is 10, 15 minutes to whoop that up. Took longer to do the cutting and stuff more than anything. There's my little hole where I was digging to get a bite. Oh well. But look at that. That is so good. So, let me clean up just a little bit and I'll be right back. Well, folks, what'd you think about that? Didn't take long, did it? Try it out. Make you one. Throw whatever you want in it. Taste as you go, as I did. Ain't no recipe on this. Just throw it together. Start with your cream cheese, some Worcestershire sauce, and start throwing some stuff in it. See what you come up with. So, this is about my last video for our Christmas special, our 10 days of Christmas countdown. We got one more, which will be on Christmas Eve, I believe. So, I just kind of let it slip that our last video will be a cake. We have made all the candies and peanut butter rolls, but we haven't made a cake for this, the whole thing. We made a cheesecake, but that don't count. So I'm going to get cleaned up. Got a few more things to do. Thank you all so much for being with us on this 10 days of Christmas countdown. We have had so much fun fixing all the goodies, the peanut butter rolls and the cheesecake rolls and peanut butter roll and this cheese ball here. And like I said, we'll line it out. was one of my favorites growing up. My grandmother fixed every year, and I still do for Thanksgiving and Christmas. It's so awesome. We'll do it together. Catch me 2:30 Christmas Eve. We'll do it together. I thank you all so much for being with me. Appreciate it. Love you guys. Till next time, thanks and see ya.